Do you dream of having a lively, flourishing garden this January, even with the intense Australian summer sun shining down? Well, stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly what to plant to make that dream a reality. And here's the surprising part, there's a unique gardening trick I'll share later that could actually boost your plant growth significantly. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. Now, let's talk about why January matters so much for gardeners. It's the start of the year, making it an ideal time to lay the foundation for a lush, thriving garden. Whether you're an experienced gardener with years of practice or just beginning your journey, this is your chance to create something incredible. Imagine having fresh vegetables, fragrant herbs, vibrant flowers, and even resilient Australian native plants thriving right in your backyard. Exciting, right? Let's get started. Vegetables to plant. First, let's talk about vegetables. January is perfect for planting summer-loving veggies. Top choices: zucchini, capsicum, and sweet corn. These plants are not just easy to grow, but also packed with nutrients ideal for those delicious summer meals. Let's start with zucchini. If you're new to gardening, this is one veggie you'll love. It grows abundantly, giving you plenty of zucchinis from just one plant. Here's a tip. Give it plenty of room because zucchini likes to spread out. A cramped space will limit its growth and productivity. Next is capsicum. This versatile veggie is a kitchen favorite and thrives in full sun. The key to growing the best capsicums: start with healthy seedlings and keep the soil damp but not waterlogged. Consistent care makes all the difference. And then there's sweet corn, a true summer staple. Here's a helpful tip: plant your corn in clusters instead of long rows. This improves pollination and results in fuller, juicier cobs. To naturally protect your corn, plant marigolds nearby. These bright flowers deter pests and add extra color to your garden. And here's a hint: one of these veggies benefits greatly from the unique gardening trick I'll share soon. Can you guess which one? Herbs to plant. Now, let's move on to herbs. A garden isn't complete without fresh herbs to elevate your cooking. The must-haves for January: basil, coriander, and mint. Basil loves the sun and is a classic choice. It's not just a kitchen staple, it also grows beautifully alongside tomatoes. These two plants complement each other when planted together, a perfect match. Coriander, on the other hand, is more delicate. It thrives in partial shade and needs consistent watering to prevent it from going to seed too quickly. If you've ever had coriander suddenly produce flowers instead of leaves, you know how tricky it can be. But with the right care, it's very rewarding to grow. Mint is a hardy herb, but can spread quickly if not managed. To keep it under control, grow mint in pots. This keeps it contained while still letting you enjoy its refreshing leaves. Bonus tip: mint is a natural mosquito deterrent. You can also grow it in creative containers for an eco-friendly and stylish garden feature. A quick recap. So we've discussed vegetables like zucchini, capsicum, and sweet corn, each with its own growing tips. We've also covered herbs like basil, coriander, and mint, which are simple to grow and very practical. Now remember that special trick I mentioned earlier? Here it is, using compost tea as a natural plant booster. It's full of nutrients your plants will love and works wonders for growth, especially for the summer veggies we talked about. And there you have it, everything you need to plant this January to kickstart your garden in Australia. Whether you're dreaming of fresh veggies, aromatic herbs, or a mix of both, now's the time to make it happen. Nothing makes a garden more cheerful and inviting than a burst of colorful flowers. If you're wondering what to plant in January, you have plenty of excellent choices. Flowers like petunias, sunflowers, and marigolds are perfect for brightening up your garden this month. These flowers not only look beautiful, but they also attract helpful pollinators like bees and butterflies, a great benefit for any garden. Let's begin with petunias. These are fantastic if you want something easy to maintain yet visually appealing. Petunias come in a wide range of colors, so you can easily find ones that suit your garden style. They're perfect for hanging baskets, creating a lovely cascading effect that adds character to your garden. Just plant them in a sunny spot and they'll thrive. Next are sunflowers. These tall beauties are true attention grabbers. Their bright yellow blooms instantly uplift the mood of any garden. Sunflowers are incredibly simple to grow, even for beginners. Kids love them too. There's something magical about watching them stretch taller each day. Plus, their seeds attract birds, adding more life to your garden. And then there's marigolds. These vibrant flowers are not just attractive, but also beneficial companions for your vegetables. Marigolds help deter pests, making them a gardener's ally. Here's a quick tip: water your flowers early in the morning. This helps them cope better with the day's heat. And if you're looking for a way to encourage your flowers to bloom faster, stick around, because I'll share a handy trick later on. If you enjoy native plants, January is an excellent time to add some Australian classics to your garden. Plants like kangaroo paw and wattles are ideal choices. These native plants are perfectly suited to our climate, so they flourish with minimal care. They're also fantastic for supporting local wildlife. Kangaroo paw is a striking plant that adds a distinctive touch to your garden. Its flowers come in various colors and have a unique shape. To keep your kangaroo paw thriving, plant it in well-drained soil and ensure it gets plenty of sun. It's a low-maintenance gem that will reward you with stunning blooms. Wattles, on the other hand, are a symbol of Australia. These hardy plants are not only lovely, but also incredibly easy to care for. They're perfect if you want something that looks good without needing too much attention. Once established, they're almost self-sufficient. That's the beauty of native plants. They're environmentally friendly and require little effort. Now, let's discuss keeping your garden healthy and thriving during January's heat. The summer sun can be intense, but with a few simple strategies, your plants will stay happy. First, water effectively. Using drip irrigation or self-watering pots can conserve water while keeping your plants hydrated. If you're watering by hand, do it early in the morning to minimize evaporation and help your plants stay cool through the day. Second, mulch your garden. A layer of mulch is incredibly helpful. It keeps the soil cool, retains moisture, and reduces weeds significantly. Plus, it gives your garden a tidy, polished appearance. Third, protect sensitive plants from heat waves. Shade cloths are invaluable for plants that struggle with excessive sun. If you don't have shade cloth, even a temporary structure made with lightweight fabric can work wonders. And now, here's the tip you've been waiting for: a simple way to boost your plant's growth. Banana peels. Yes, banana peels are a gardener's hidden treasure. They're rich in potassium, which strengthens roots and supports healthy growth. Just chop them up and add them to your compost or bury them near your plants. This method works wonderfully for flowering plants and fruiting veggies like capsicum and zucchini. Try it out and see the results for yourself. January is all about starting the year strong in your garden. Whether you're planting vegetables, herbs, flowers, or native plants, there's something for everyone this month. Keep these key tips in mind: water wisely, mulch generously, and don't overlook the banana peel trick. These small steps can make a big difference in your garden's success. So, what's your favorite plant to grow in summer? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Stay tuned for our February guide. It's full of even more tips and ideas for a flourishing garden. Happy gardening!